talking and babies were crying, which the enemy could hear. The village leader told the parents to make their children quiet. The parents had no choice but to give their children some opiate drugs in order to put them to sleep, but with unintended consequences later.
They used tire tubes as floating devices to help them cross rivers. The river was very swift, deep, and about a mile wide. The elders used tire tubes by carrying little kids on their backs. If there were not enough tire tubes, people would use ropes to tie themselves onto others. Some families made it across, others were still in the water, and still others were behind. Gunshots were heard. People were falling, crying, and dying. About half of the families escaped, others died and or were captured and taken back.
What's your boy just on your house and took a corner?
What's that? What is it? Which one? Ôi vậy?
Lương ba ta khổ lọ. Thì ba ta lừa bên là kia. Thì ba là thế nó lừa cái gì đấy.